Here is PandaBuy app, easily buy from China. So this is an app you can install. All shopping platforms this app helps you to buy product from China easily. We offer purchasing, warehousing, and shipping services with zero service fee. We have user-friendly features for you to manage your orders, UHD photos, and share with a simple one click. No more message bombs, and we share the live shipping data with you with the products way to better estimate before placing order. So accepts multiple currencies, logistics, image searching, customized shipping. So yeah, it's interesting app. I just found it out in the app store. You can allow notifications, and then yeah, you can pass the product link products, or you can just see also your cart balance, but then you need to log in. Okay, so you need to create an account before getting started. So yeah, just create an account. Okay, let's try to do it with Apple. It's just faster for me. And then yeah, then I just created a new account. So then let's say I want to buy some sneakers. So you can search or you can enter the link. So yeah, for example, you want to get these sneakers much cheaper, and then so yeah, then you just have this from seller to PandaBuy. You just pay for order, and then you pay for parcel, and then your parcel is being delivered. So yeah, that's basically the idea, and then you can just tap buy now. You can select size. Here you just need to be careful what you want to get, like, you know, as it's probably there are some size helpers, and here, like, you know, you can just measure it. I don't know about returns or anything. And then yeah, you can just tap buy now, like, okay, and then just tap submit, and then you can just confirm your order and then pay in this. So for example, if you want to deliver to Denmark or to Europe, you can also select other countries, and then yeah, just pay in this currency. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So yeah, so try it out.